at it again. Today, y'all gonna get a measly intake installed. If I can find a flathead. So right now, what you see, eBay intake came with a breather, you know, for that line. I catch it outside when I start installing it. See if there's any difference at first, which I didn't know. I don't know if I posted a video, but I had the intake that my brother had on his car. It was the, I just dropped the intake. It was the little, I guess, Y-shaped one with the 2 intakes on each side. Y'all know what I'm talking about because y'all seen people who did it. I just put it on there to see if I get any improvement. But I'm gonna put this one on and then I'll get back at y'all. First thing you wanna do, it's a little lip that you gotta pull it from under. You just gotta get it off of there. I probably ain't gonna be able to actually show y'all. See right there. Let me turn the flash on. What to do? Just get your intake from off of there, and then you're gonna have to, you know, take your one clip out. I'm gonna leave the bottom part of the box in. You know, I could take the whole thing out. It's actually to hold it up. Then you will take this off. Put your breather on there, and then you just start installing it. Just sit your intake right on top. Right there, the intake. I gotta get this. I gotta take that off with my finger because it's probably a little high. The hood probably is still closed, but I won't be able to start the car. Auto start it. So I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna have to put some music behind this guys because they playing music. Sound different. Luckily, I got my stand out here today. Let's see what I can work up. Quick pull. Oh, I can't switch. I couldn't switch the gear. I had it at first. But it's pulling hard. I'll try it again. Off the light. It's a little wet right here. Let's see if it spins. I just had the my windshield. I don't know if I told y'all. My windshield is leaking, so my floor, my carpet wet. So I just put some, you know, some sealant at the top as much as I could. I think I might need more, but I'm gonna see what that do actually when it dries up, because you know. And I'm gonna give it a little dry. Oh, that's why. That's why it ain't spinning. I get back at y'all. If I'm gonna record again, I don't know if I have an outro for y'all, what or whatnot. Oh, gotta make the light. So it's all done. You know, vacuum it out. Hopefully no more don't come in because it will seep, as you can see. It will seep from out of here, which is probably coming from there. I put as much as I could on, but I'm gonna close this door, give y'all a warm start. That's gonna be it for the video, guys. So please like, rate, subscribe, and I get back at you.